Hey there, I want to do a quick review on this glove glue. We bought this for our son. It's been probably close to 2 years ago now. He's still using it. My son plays a lot of soccer and he loves playing goalie, so this is why we got it. He's got goalie gloves, puts a couple sprays on it. You let it sit for a couple minutes. Of course, you rub it in and it starts to get pretty sticky. So you're able to get a better grip on the ball once it starts drying up a little bit. So it's really easy to use. I mean, it's just a spray bottle. So just take the lid off there, a couple of squirts, rub it in good, and you're ready to go after a couple of minutes. So easy directions, easy application. So if you got a kid in sports and maybe you're in soccer looking for something that's going to help you out a little bit more when you're playing goalie, I would highly recommend this. We've watched our son play over the years with this stuff, and it helps. It absolutely helps. And for the price of it and the way it helps out, the value is there. So anyway, if you're looking for something like this, I would go with this brand all day long. So highly recommend. Hopefully it helps you out.